Hey y'all, today is Sunday. Hold on. Focus on me. Focus, okay. Hey y'all, today's Sunday. We just picked up the kids from my parents' house. CJ is in here putting the bed together. They came back and did something to this wall. They like put more, what's that stuff called, babe?
What?
The stuff that's on the wall.
The tie is good. Oh, I don't know. The tie is good.
I don't. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
They're helping daddy.
That was not tight enough for me.
Dinky, what are you doing to Dada?
No, let me.
Say hey.
Hey.
Cam.
I'm tying it. I'm tying it, see?
So CJ's putting the bed together. Y'all, like look, I hate the color of this wall. I hate it.
Let me hold it.
No.
Why?
Cause Camden. Say hey.
Hi. Kim's not doing no job.
He's not doing no job.
Yeah, because he's too little. Eat that!
Good job. Cam said good job. Say thank you, Taylor.
Thank you, buddy.
You
Cut my hair.
gotta watch this dude. What you got? That is not a tool. And that's not drums. Say hey. Look. It's right there. Back up.
Hi.
Say what you doing.
I'm here. Yeah.
Cam, count for them. Say 1.
1. Guess what I got? A beautiful nail. I know y'all like to see my video.
Say I miss y'all.
I miss y'all so much. I can't believe
Back up. Sit
y'all
down.
are seeing my video.
Okay, let me see. You got somebody going, yeah. Glitter. Oh no.
God, don't see this. Okay, just kidding.
Close your eye. I say close your eye, you open your eye. Hopefully it's far enough away. Say, ma'am, I bought me some scarecrows to put outside for the fall. Say,
fall.
watch out.
Mom,
Say,
is this one big?
okay. Hey, be nice to Taylor, okay?
Let me see. No.
Hey, we got no more toothbrushes?
Silly kid. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Today is my second day of school. Y'all, this is the schedule. I don't know if y'all remember this, but I used this with Taylor. I just made it black and white because I'm out of color ink and it's for Cam now. So I have this. My sister-in-law is helping with Cam. Today's Taylor's second day of school. Yesterday was tragic for me, not for her. She did amazing on her first day. Give me 5, girl.
I might not do it again.
Okay. But
Mommy, when I'm done, come on, have peanut butter.
you want some peanut butter crackers? I'll take some upstairs for you for your snack time. Cause then Cam won't get to it, okay? I don't know if I told y'all, but Cam is allergic to peanut butter. But we, like me, Taylor, and CJ love peanut butter crackers. So we try to eat them when he's not around so that he doesn't get into them or anything.
I do too.
Yeah, I know. Taylor takes very good care of her brother when it comes to allergies and stuff. But I'm about to work out really quick while you're eating. When you're finished eating, I want you to go upstairs and brush your teeth. By that time, I should be done with my run.
Where's Dada?
Dad is asleep. Okay. By then, I should be done with my run. And we can go on from there. Got my water. I'm finishing this jug today. This is not a gallon. It's almost. It's 3 quarts. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, today is Saturday and I'm about to run out to the store. So last week was Taylor's first week of school and I wanted to get a like reward bin for her. I need some type of reward system for her because it is a lot teaching her at home. So I knew that if I have like some little knickknacks, toys, like she likes gum, stuff like that, put in a basket and basically allow her to track her progress in her behavior throughout the day, and then at the end of the week she can pick something if she has 3 or more great days. So I may do 4 more great days, I don't know yet. That's just the idea that's in my head. So I'm running out to the store to go get this stuff. She's at my sister's house right now, having a little girl weekend with my sister. Camden's in the house with CJ. And guys, you would not believe they are still working on that daggone room. Still. And I'm trying to be nice and not give like a bad review or anything like that. Like, I would hate to give them a bad review, but like, come on now. Our contract was for 10 days and they're about to be outside the contract. So y'all know me, I don't have a problem advocating for myself. So they're gonna be adding in an extra service that they were not going to add in at first. So yeah, but even in that, they're still taking forever to do it. And y'all know my dad, he does this stuff. Like, this is what he does full time. And you may be wondering like, why didn't you just ask your dad to do it? But I don't like, that's my daddy. Like, I don't like, I mean, of course if it's like something huge or something like that, I'm gonna ask him to do it or whatever. But I don't want to take away from his time with his other business and stuff like that. And my dad is like super busy with family, like with business, like he's always so busy. And so of course I know he would drop anything and make time for me or for us to do something like that, but I didn't want to bother him with it. So, and I thought it was gonna be something quick and simple, to be honest, like not nothing that was gonna be drawn out for days. But he was saying that it could have took 2 days. It should have only taken 2 days to do. And tomorrow makes 10 days. They've been working on that one little wall, not even a full wall, a freaking half, not even a half wall. Like, oh my gosh, I just want it to be done because I need to get Taylor in there and settled. I need to get my office together and settled, and I definitely did not think that it was gonna take that long. So that's them. They just passed me. They just passed me on my way out. But anyway, I will show you guys what I grabbed at the store as I'm grabbing it. I just thought I would vlog today, so let's go.
Hi guys, today is Friday, and guess what? I'm gonna get a toy, but I'm gonna get a little toy, and guess what? We have this to cover my face, so which one am I gonna pick?
So we have a reward system. We are in our 2nd week of virtual learning, and I have a little bin of toys for her. So I'm gonna cover her face really quick, and then we're going to pick a toy out.
Mommy, it's kind of dangerous.
No, it's not. Crazy. Look up. It's turn around. Right here.
Ow.
Okay, open it up.
I can't open it.
Oh, it's heavy, huh? You can't look. Pick something. What do you want to pick? You can't get one. Get on. Are you sure? Is that what you want?
No.
That's Candace, actually. I don't know. You want to go with that? Huh? Girl, 3, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 1. Pick something. Aww. Y'all, so y'all remember I was going on my little rant yesterday about this office space. So we just had to fire our contractors They were just getting very reckless. They did not care to come. Like even yesterday when I said she was driving into the freaking neighborhood, caught it on camera, glad I did. She did not come to the house. I called CJ and was like, hey, she's on her way, she's pulling up. She never showed. CJ had to text her like, hey, are you still coming? And she responded to that saying that she would come later. Or she could come tomorrow. And CJ was like, no, you need to come tonight and finish up some of the work. So that is where we are. So I'm about to go ahead and start painting. I want to have this room done so that Taylor's, when she starts this upcoming school week, she can be on track with her learning and stuff like that without just mess everywhere. Last week was a hot mess. And so we kind of took an L, but yeah, it's just whatever. I'm about to paint and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna say 3 words. I need you to tell me which 2 words begin with the same sound, okay? Otter, eagle, eating.
Otter, eagle. No, I see eagle.
I'm gonna say them again. Otter, eagle, eating.
Otter, eagle, eating.
Good job, Taylor. Hey y'all, I look a hot mess, but it's whatever, I'm at home. I wanted to show you guys what we've done thus far in this room. I don't know if I vlogged recent. I think I did when I was painting my office. But fast forward, we have painted this whole entire room. I'm gonna show you guys now. So we've moved the furniture kind of in place. I'm gonna put a TV right here. This room is still like pretty big. Okay, so that, got this, got that. We're putting together the bedside tables right now. This is the office door space right here. And then go in. I decided to put Taylor's desk right here so we can work together. I just got her a farmhouse type alphabet thing because I had this since she was like 2. And as you can see, it's torn up. So that's gonna go over her desk for the time being. I also started to put these wood stick planks on the wall. Got these from Amazon. I have to cut this piece right here to size and get a trim to go here. I just purchased a window seat cushion to go here, and then I got some decor for my office, so I gotta wait for that to come. But I love the color. Let me put on the side. I love the color in here. It's very subtle and calming. Yeah, that's the update for now. Still working on our office space, so I'm not going to show you guys that yet. But we are almost done with this room. I got to get some stuff to go on the walls. CJ hung up the TV yesterday and got to clean that off, of course. Put the bedspread on. Got the bedside tables in place with the little lamps. They're really small, but the table's small, so it kind of fits the table. Then I have that. I have that over there, and that space is going to remain empty because when we slide the door, it stops like right there. And then this is what it looks like this way. So yeah, it's coming along great. I don't even know what we're going to put down there. It's dusty as I don't know what because of all of the sand in the walls and stuff like that. So I have to dust that today, and then I probably won't put anything else. I don't know. We don't have any game systems or anything like that. Maybe we'll get some for Christmas or something. I don't know. So we'll see.